Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Shanice. Welcome to my channel. And if you've been here, hey. So this week I wanted to do a fun video to end this week off. So if you're ready for the fun and you want to see something cool, stay here. Continue watching this video and go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel first. Hit that great notification bell so you'll be notified for the other videos that I do, and also hit the like button because you're gonna want to like it because it's pretty cool. And also share this video, please. I really appreciate everything that you do. But let's get you amazed and by this fun video I have for you guys this week. Top card underneath this stack is going to be a 2. how did I do it? I'll show you one more time so you can see it again. What's the unknown card underneath this top deck? Let me show you. The first card underneath this deck is a 5. So you guys, did I fool you, or did you know how I done it? If you do, leave me a comment down below and tell me how I did it, if you know how I did it. So, but before you go and start sharing and liking this video, because I know you will be, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and right beside it, go ahead and hit that great notification bell so you'll be notified for all the other videos that I do. Like I said, like it if you like this trick, if you was tricked by this card trick, and share this video so others can see it and be amazed just as you were. Thank you so much for watching and showing me some love, and I'll see you next week with some more cool videos. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye!